guys, welcome to my realistic fall front porch decorate with me of 2022. As you can see, I have my toddler helpers here. They wanted to swap out the pillows, so I went ahead and let them do that. My youngest is hiding the pillow back there because normally I toss them back there whenever there's a storm so they don't blow away. So he just did that and we went ahead and picked them up. But here's how the pillows turned out. This pillow was from Aldi maybe 2 or 3 years ago. And the orange pillow you're about to see was from Aldi last year. It's a great spot to find pillows for really inexpensive and they are super cute. I'm going to put away my summer faux plant, but we recently got a new fruit basket in the kitchen and I took my old one and I put it out here on the porch. I actually thought it would be great to repurpose it and put little mini pumpkins. I don't have many real pumpkins just yet. The stores near me in Maryland don't have them out. So unfortunately in this video, I only have a few real pumpkins, but the mini ones are not out yet. When they are, I'm going to be putting them in that little caddy. I'm going to swap out my rug for something very similar, but so cute. I love the buffalo check for the fall time and honestly year round. I use buffalo check year round just because it is a classic, but this rug combo came from Amazon and it's perfect because it comes with both mats. I will have it linked down below. Now we're gonna go ahead and start filling in the decorations. I got this giant mum Sam's Club this morning. It was around $16, maybe $16.99. It's huge. And then putting out this adorable ghost that we got at Costco last year. This little pumpkin planter was a gift. I actually have to go and get a mum for that. It's so cute when it's filled with a mum, so I'm gonna be sure to do that soon. This wreath is huge. We got it at Sam's Club last year and I forgot that it did not fit between our door and our glass door. So if you're looking at a wreath from Sam's Club, just keep that in mind. But my solution is that I actually took it and put it on the outside of the glass door, so it was no problem at all. Next, we're gonna swap out my Welcome to Our Home sign for a Halloween one. I found the cutest sign at Lakeside Collection. I've never ordered from them before. This was my first purchase. And this little stand is awesome because it folds in half. It says trick or treat. It also lights up, but I love that it folds up for storage. So if you're limited on storage, definitely check out their little signs. I found these light up pillar candles at Sam's Club. I think they were around $8, which is pretty cheap for these types of candles. And I just had them sitting in my garage waiting for the perfect fall moment to break them out. I would not recommend these candles, however, because you have to individually screw in 4 screws per candle just to put the batteries in, which is kind of a pain in the neck when they make snap-in bottoms nowadays. So I'm not sure why they have so many screws in them, but if you don't mind taking the time to do that, then I would say go ahead and get these candles because they are really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew all of the candles, make sure they get some batteries in there, and then I'm just gonna figure out where I want to put them on my porch. I love to have candles, lanterns, different types of lights and things, especially around Halloween and of course Christmas time, just because it does get dark very early where I live in the state of Maryland. So it's really nice around 4 p.m. to have something kind of light up and brighten up your space, make it welcoming. And then on Halloween, I like to make sure I have everything all lit up. I'm actually going to be adding another Halloween decoration to my yard, so stay tuned to that. That's going to be coming up in my Halloween decorate video. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on that one. I have some really cute Halloween decorations I'm going to be putting up in my house and a few things outside. And also last minute every year we put up a giant inflatable mama and baby ghost. They're so cute, but we like to put that up closer to Halloween. We do have an HOA. They haven't been too strict on my Halloween decorations yet, but I always get a little bit nervous. I don't want to get, told I have to take them down or anything like that. I'm just someone who always likes to decorate early. That's just been me. So here I am decorating at the beginning of September, but I'm hoping that I can give you guys some inspiration so you can go ahead and decorate your front porch or front of your home the way that you like to. Now I'm going to show you an overview of everything we've done today thus far. These 3 little pumpkins came from a local farm stand. My boys picked them out, as well as some of those pine cones they picked on the ground. Here is that wreath we hung up, the cute little ghost, the sign from Lakeside Collection, some pumpkins that I already had. I cannot wait to fill my porch with real pumpkins and more mums. That'll probably be in another week or 2. I'll definitely share it in a vlog if I add some more. I'm thinking I might add some fall leaves to the pillars of my house. So make sure you are subscribed again so you don't miss out if I do add any more decor. But this is just what I have right now, things that I pulled out from my storage, and I think it came out really cute. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you being here, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden. spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Ooh, ooh, ooh.